Print Then Cut lets you create stickers, toppers, and even cut photos with ease. Here's how it works. Design in Design Space, Cricut's free software, print on your home printer, then load the printed image into your Cricut cutting machine for cutting. For your first project, let's create a simple sheet of stickers using an image from Design Space. If you'd like to work along with me, you'll need a device with Design Space downloaded and connected to your inkjet printer, a Cricut cutting machine from the Explore or Maker families, Joy Extra or Cricut Venture, a standard grip mat, and Cricut printable sticker paper. Let's move to Design Space. In the universal search bar, type strawberry. This will pull up a lot of projects and images. To narrow the search, select View All and click Print Then Cut under Operation Type. Select an image from those shown. I like this image of the 2 strawberries. This already has a small border around the image, so it's perfect for stickers. Let's add the image to the canvas. These are really big, so I'm going to resize this first. You can drag from the corner to resize or select specific measurements here. I want these to be about 2 inches high, so I'll change that here. Click Make It to send the image to the Prepare screen. I want a full sheet of stickers, so I'll increase project copies. I think I can fit about 12, so let's try that. See how they have all been lined up neatly on the screen? This is how they will appear on your printed sheet. Load a sheet of printable sticker paper into your printer. Click Continue again and follow the prompts to print the page. Once printed, place the sheet of sticker paper onto your mat in the same orientation as on the screen. Select your material. Since I want these to stay on the sheet, I will select printable sticker paper. This will give us what's called a kiss cut. This means only the top layer will be cut, leaving the backer intact. Feed the mat into your Cricut machine. Then press the Go button. The machine first reads the black lines on the page and then begins to cut. When your stickers are done cutting, before you unload the mat, check that the stickers are cut the way you want. If not, press the Go button again before unloading. When your stickers have finished cutting, unload the mat and remove the sticker sheet. Nice job! You made your first set of stickers. Imagine the possibilities. Check out our other Cricut Learn videos to learn more. See you soon!